Another day in the life of a Promaster. Back in the shop. Alright, so this is your oil filter housing slash oil cooler. There's an oil cooler that's attached to that. So when you drip in oil, if I can focus, you'll see a puddling going on right down in there. You don't see it now because it's new, but like way right in there you'll see puddling going on with the oil, and that tells you that this thing's leaking and that it needs to be replaced. This is the new upgraded aluminum one rather than the plastic fiber one. This is made from Dorman and it's upgraded and it's supposed to be better. We'll find out. My Ram CRAPMASTER 2500 2018 has had another issue. It actually went 30,000 miles no problem, which was shocking. It was actually a nice little ride. I'm babying it really, a lot. I don't go over quarter throttle. I don't care who's behind me. I'm on my third transmission. I'm not dealing with it. So this is not an install video. This is more of a like a recognition video, and I'm telling you what it most likely is, and I'll give you the part numbers as well. I noticed it when it was raining. We've had a lot of rain up here in New England. And I pulled into Starbucks. I back into my spot, and I walked away from my van and walking into Starbucks, and I see like these drip marks, like frequent collective drip marks in the rain. When oil hits water, it kind of separates. I kept seeing it, and I'm like, that's got to be me. I looked underneath, and you just see drips everywhere. So when these filter housings, oil coolers leak, they go down your motor. I think mine was hit my manifold. It stunk, and it drips from like the cross members. It drips from the motor. It drips from the transmission. It drips everywhere. But that's how I noticed it. And honestly, I wasn't surprised. It's just it's a CRAPMASTER. So it's gonna crap itself at some point again. But I was really shocked to go 30,000 miles without I got 90 somewhat thousand miles in this thing now, my CRAPMASTER. Well, it's your oil filter housing. The cap you unscrew, and for the oil filter, that has the cooler attached to it as well. I got mine from Dorman. It's about anywhere from 300 to 365 bucks, depending on where you go. I wanted mine quickly, so I went to Napa down the street, and I had my local auto shop down the street install for me. It comes with the gas from Dorman. It comes with the gaskets, but it does not come with the sensors. I think there's an oil sensor and a coolant sensor attached to it. I had my auto mechanic go get authentic ones from the dealership. If you're gonna do all that work, you might as well just replace the sensors at the same time. Here's the part number to the Dorman housing, to the oil filter housing. The Napa Auto Parts part number for the housing is 926-0959-1. I just looked on Amazon, and it's only a couple $100. I needed it fast though, because I work out of my van, and I needed it fixed immediately. And another thing about Amazon, you don't know if you're getting something used. You don't know. Things are just weird with Amazon, but if you want to risk it, the part number at Amazon, I'll put the Amazon link in the description as well, is 926-959. Amazon. If I had time, I probably would have went to Amazon. It's from the Dorman store too, so that hurts. I was just freaking out, you know what I mean? I had oil going in, I was freaking out. And the OEM part number for the oil temp sensor is 6829-55556. I'll put this on the screen too. And the coolant temp sensor is 514-90777. And those go on the oil filter housing. And the kit comes with all the gaskets you need. All right, that's all. Just giving you guys a heads up. If you see oil dripping underneath your Promaster, it's most likely that housing. My mechanic did it. I think he did it in about 4 or 5 hours. They wrench all day, so I was gonna do it, but I just didn't have time. If I had time, I probably would have done it. So, and do yourself a favor, if you're not in a rush, check Amazon first. That's a big difference. And I'll put that link in the description. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Till next time.